Hello scholars! Today we are learning that the best mathematicians are able to multiply a two-digit number by a two-digit number using the area model. So let's look at the problem, 24 times 83. When we look at these numbers, both numbers have two digits. They have two places up to the tens place. What we want to do is we want to break apart these numbers each into expanded form to make them easier to multiply. So first I can break apart 24 into 20 plus 4. Then I can break apart 83 into 80 plus 3. When I make my area model, it is going to look like this. So I'm going to take my 24 that I just broke apart and put it right here. 20 plus 4. And then take my 83 and break it apart on the top. 80 plus 3. Now when I go to multiply, I'm looking at what's on the side and what's on the top to help me decide what I'm going to multiply by each other. So here I'm going to multiply 20 times 80, then I'm going to multiply 20 times 3. (20 times 80, 20 times 3. Line them up again. 4 times 80, 4 times 3, 4 times 80, 4 times 3. So I multiplied my 10s times my 80 and my 3, and my 1s times my 80 and my 3. Now I can go ahead and multiply through. 2 times 8 equals 16. Tack on my 2 zeros. 2 times 3 equals 6. 1 0. 4 times 8 equals 32. 1 0. 4 times 3 equals 12. Remember, these are called partial products. I need to add all of my partial products to find my final product for 24 times 83. I'm going to put my partial products in a place value chart. And add them up, starting in the ones place. I always line them up in my place value chart to add. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 1 plus 0 is 1. My answer is 1,992.